Here I'm going to show you how to make a Lazymans meatloaf. Here are some simple ingredients that you will need. You'll need meat, eggs, onion. I'm using seasoning from Epicare, which is a meatloaf seasoning, salt and pepper, some breadcrumbs, and some cooking spray. Set your oven to 375. First, toss in your eggs. You can use 2 eggs or 3 eggs, just depending on how much meat you use. Add in some pepper and some salt, just enough to your liking. Here I'm adding in some meatloaf seasoning. Again, just sprinkling as much as you want. Then just mix it all together. Once it's mixed well, just add your meat in and mix it in with your egg mixture. Now you can add in the breadcrumbs, using as many breadcrumbs as you like. Breadcrumbs just help it bind together. Now you don't have to use a full onion if you don't want to. I'm using a full onion. You just want to chop your onion up into smaller pieces. Then toss your onions into your mixture of meat. Stirring it all together. Once that's all done, take your cooking oil, your spray, and give your bowl or container that you're putting your meatloaf into to cook. Just spray it down so it doesn't stick to your pan. Just making sure all of my stuff is combined together well, so I'm just using my hands with some gloves on. And then just place it into your pan. Just kind of pat it down and making sure it sticks together, kind of like a big meatball. Now if you're using a pan that's a little bit bigger than your meat, then just add a little bit of water. This helps your meatloaf not dry out or burn to the pan. Now that your oven is ready, just pop it in. And set your timer. Here I set my timer for 50 minutes, but give yourself at least 60 minutes, a good hour. For the last 15 minutes, just pull it out and you want to put some ketchup on top, just for some extra flavoring. and then place it back into your oven. When the time is up, it's time to take it out. And there you go. You just made yourself some Lazymans meatloaf. Enjoy!